Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and I have a lawnmower repair in this video, and I'm also doing a tool giveaway, so stay tuned. So in the shop today I have a Craftsman. It's a 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. It came in and the complaint was that the lawnmower just stopped running. So the guy was out cutting and it just stopped. I asked him if he hit anything. He said no. So I thought, I checked the lawnmower for spark. It had good spark and it also had good compression. I put a little fuel in the spark plug hole and it ran and died. So this is going to be a carburetor repair video. We're going to go through and give this carb just a real good cleaning and replace all the gaskets and stuff. The mower looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't know how hard it's actually been used, but we're going to go through. We'll pull the float out of here, and man, this looks pretty clean. We'll put new gaskets on here. Luckily, like all these gaskets, I have a laser engraver, and I was able to draw the gaskets in CAD and then cut them out. So I already have all these gaskets. I made these a couple years ago. We're going to check the needle and seat. So just like a valve that shuts off, when the float is up, you should hear air come out. When the float is down, it should shut it off. So the needle and seat is working properly here. Okay guys, we're about ready to put this thing back together. Up here on the intake, there's a little O-ring, and luckily in my O-ring assortment, I had the right O-ring, so I replaced that. And I think we're ready to put the carburetor back on. First step is going to be to get the linkage on there. That should just hook right in. Looks good. And 2 3/8 inch screws. I guess I should say bolts. So we'll get these started by hand. A little tricky to get in here. Give you kind of a weird angle. Just going to grab my ratchet to tighten that. Now to hook up the fuel line, I'm just going to clean the tip of this. I'll open my fuel clamp, let a little bit of fuel flow, real nice flow, so that means the screen in the tank's good. And I know there's good fuel in the tank because the guy was just using the mower. So we'll try and slip this guy on here. Looks good. We'll do the clamp. Okay, we're going to put on the filter box. We're replacing the gasket here, and the gasket just has 3 little pin holes that'll hold it in place. So we got those on snug, and we'll grab one of our 3/8 inch screws or bolts, hook up the PCV tube, and we're going to get this first bolt started. We got the carburetor all cleaned up. It didn't even look that dirty, but it doesn't take too much to foul them up. So we'll see if this starts. Before it wouldn't start at all, unless I sprayed gas in the plug hole. I let the mower run about 10 minutes and it ran great with no hesitation. I usually find that people that want their equipment fixed take good care of it, and it usually doesn't need too much to repair. Some of the mowers that I get for free or that are neglected require a lot more effort to get fixed up. I did mention in the beginning of the video that I would have a contest, so today's contest is going to be sponsored by Grip Tools. And Grip Tools stands for Grand Rapids Industrial Products. They're out of Michigan, and they're basically a tool supplier. And one of the nice things about being on YouTube is I have people that send me free samples of tools, and I talked with the gentleman there, and I talked about possibly having a contest, and they were happy to sponsor it. So today we're going to be giving away a pair of ratchet straps. Grip Tools has a whole line of tools on their website, and I'll put a link in the description so that you can see their website and all their different tools. They asked me if I wanted to pick out a tool, and I picked out a metric tap and die set, and they sent me a metric set, and they also sent me an SAE set. And this is a little look at kind of what's in there, pretty much everything, and as you can see from the box, it's pretty good size. And they sent a bunch of other things, magnetic tool trays. These magnetic tool trays have huge magnets on the back, so it's pretty handy when you're working with them. You can stick it to like a tractor hood or whatever you want to. And also, as I said, the magnets are very high strength. So if your tools get tipped over, they should pretty much stay on the tray. You know, they're pretty handy. In today's video, I use this one for cleaning the carburetor as a tray. They appear to be chrome or stainless or something. I guess it says SS, so I'm assuming stainless steel. And they also gave me these socket holders, which are pretty handy. I've been using these for a couple weeks, so you can hold sockets, and if they get flipped over, you can see the sockets actually stay in there. There's bigger socket sizes, which look pretty nice. They have this thing that I've never seen. It's like a strainer, so if you use like a parts cleaner, which I don't have, you can clean off things and they'll stick to the magnet on the bottom. These are the tie downs that I'll be giving away today. So it's a 4 set. They're about 15 foot long, 1 inch. And, you know, they gave me a bunch of these LED lights, which are pretty handy. This one actually has like some stickers or screw mounts that you can use. I thought that this might be good as like a night light, possibly a reading light, maybe on the backboard of your bed. Another LED light here. Just handy lights. They sent me an air hose. So this one is a 50 footer. It says it's a USA hybrid and made in America. It still matters. That's good. I don't think most of their other tools are actually made in America, but I don't know for sure. They sent me a really long flat crowbar. So as I said, they have a whole line of tools. And for today's contest, what we're going to have you guys do is make a comment in the video and also give the video a thumbs up, and I'll use a random number generator and we'll send you out your prize. It's going to be a 1 week long contest, and I'll notify you via YouTube if you're the winner. So thanks for watching, guys. Check for the links in the description and have a good day. Take care.